Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. In this video, we are going to be doing technical analysis in US dollar JPY currency pairs. I'll be doing the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame. In all the time frame analysis, I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels. Please use these levels as a reference for entering and exiting during your trade. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the past price action in the daily time frame, it was on a very nice uptrend and it formed a triple top pattern and it has retraced to the same level where it started its bullish trend. From here it has not fallen further. You can see that it is in a very nice bullish trend overall. And when we closely analyze the current price action, it is in a very nice bullish trend and it is trading between the resistance and support level of 115.510 and 112.512. And in the past, when we check the price action, whenever the price reaches this level, the price gets rejected and it has a very steep fall. Currently also when we notice a price action, it is trying to form a similar pattern. It had formed a triple top pattern, then the trend reversal happened. Here also we are noticing a similar to triple top pattern. So if the price doesn't break this resistance level of 115.510, we can expect a trend reversal and steep fall in this currency pair. Next level of support is going to be at 109. And when we draw a channel pattern and check the trend, it is in a very nice bullish trend for now. And from here, it is finding difficult to break this resistance. And there is a consolidation going on within this level. Let us wait and see if the price action manages to break this resistance level or not. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. Whenever the price reaches this resistance level of 115.516, it has a very sharp fall. It has taken support on the level of 112 and the trend reversal has happened. When we compare the momentum when it falls and when it goes on a bullish trend, you can notice that it takes longer, which means that the bullish momentum is weak, whereas the bearish momentum is strong actually. I have drawn the resistance line and the support line. Still the momentum is on the bullish side, but the movement is slow. So it has to break this support line to actually have a trend reversal. Even if it continues, we can expect it to test the resistance level of 115.516, then the trend reversal to happen, because we are already seeing a sign of slowdown in the bullish momentum. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently it is in a bullish trend. I am expecting it to go up to the level of 115.516, then a trend reversal to happen. Wait for it to break this support line or the trend line, then you can take a trade on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here also we can notice that it is in a very nice bullish trend and it is still continuing. When we draw a channel pattern and check the momentum of the current price action, we can clearly notice that the price has taken support over here and it has breached this support line also over here. Again it started its bullish trend and this was acting as a resistance level. Again it retraced and tested the bottommost support line of the channel pattern. Again it went up, but it couldn't sustain the bullishness. Again we are seeing a trend reversal. I am expecting it to take support on this channel pattern, support line, and then go on a bullish side. But in overall, we are seeing a weakness in the bullish momentum, because earlier it was trading above this midline of the channel pattern. Now it has broken this midline and it is nearer to the support line of the channel pattern. If it breaks the support line of the channel pattern, we can expect a bearish trend reversal to happen. Currently the market is trading within a range. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame, and I am seeing a sideways market over here. But previously also it was on a sideways market, then a bullish trend started. Then presently also it is in a sideways market. Wait for it to break this resistance and support level, then take a directional trade based on the breakout direction. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now, and we have the channel pattern resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame, and currently the market is trading within this support and resistance level. Within this range also, current market is in a bullish trend. We can expect it to go up and test this resistance level of 115.192. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the market looks bullish. We can expect it to test this level of 115.192, then a trend reversal to happen. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.